In this video, we will take you through entire road transportation process, breaking down the roles of shipper, transporter, truck owner and broker. From indent creation to balance payment, we will take you through how a shipment is planned, executed and completed, and what happens at each step and how everything works together to ensure that shipments reaches their destination safely. Contract and agreement. Before giving any business, the shipper, the company that needs to send their good, talks to the transporter, the company who manages the truck, and finalize freight rate, penalties for late deliveries or truck placement, and also how many trucks do they need per day or per month. The transporter agrees, the contract is set and the process begins. Shipper sends a request for truck via WhatsApp, email or phone calls. Now the transporter has two options. One, he can use his own truck if available, or else contact a broker or a truck owner to arrange the truck. If a broker or a truck owner is involved, they negotiate the freight rate, depends on the daily market rate, and to confirm the truck, they share truck number and driver number. Once finalized, the transporter shares his own truck or market truck's details to the shipper with driver number and truck number and confirms it. Shippers then provide loading location and loading contact details. Now that the truck is confirmed, the shipper receives the truck and driver number and issues a gate pass for loading. At this point, everyone in the supply chain, transporter, broker and truck owner ensures that the truck reaches the correct location on correct time. Now loading. Once the truck arrives the loading point and the material is loaded, the shipper generates e-way bill or invoice mentioning the transporter details. Transporter generates a lorry receipt or LR which has the shipment and truck details. Truck driver collects the LR or e-way bill before leaving the loading point. Truck advance. Once the truck is loaded and LR is received, the broker, truck owner or a driver will get 80 to 90% advance from the transporter. If the transporter owns the truck, they will provide diesel cost and daily expenses to the driver. Large shippers do not pay advance. SME or Agri may pay an advance or opt for to pay. Now let's look at the in-transit and unloading process. When trucks are in transit, it is at the mercy of the truck driver. Choosing a reliable truck broker or owner is essential for timely delivery and tracking. At the unloading point, material are unloaded. Details like unloading charges, halting charges, any damages or shortages are recorded in the lorry receipt. Once sealed by the receiver, it becomes the proof of delivery. Proof of delivery and invoice process. Once the goods are delivered, POD and invoice are processed. Truck owner couriers the POD to the broker. Supplier or broker truck owner will courier the POD to the transporter. Transporter collects the POD and submit it to the shipper in bulk along with the transport invoice of multiple shipments. Shipper checks the POD invoice and approves the pending payments. Balance payment. After the POD and invoice is received, shipper pays the balance payment in 30 to 90 days to the transporter. Broker or truck owner gets paid by the transporter in 30 days after the POD is submitted. Truck owner pays a monthly salary to the driver after calculating expenses and advance. How much each entity makes out of the transactions. Transporter keeps 8% as their margin as they provide working capital and manpower for truck placement and loading coordination. Broker keeps 4% as their commission margin for placing trucks on time. Truck owner and fleet owners get 88% paid, but it is fully used for loan, repayment, EMI and other operational expenses, driver salaries, etc. The trucking industry may look simple from the outside, but it has some drawbacks like delivery delays, trust issues, and delayed payments. This is what the new age Logitech companies are trying to fix. It is a long way to go as it is a complex operation involving multiple stakeholders and careful coordination. Let us know what you think about this content in the comment section.